In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Battlefield 6 on Steam. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. During the time that I'm recording this video, Battlefield 6 is not officially out. However, in a couple of days, or maybe a week, it is going to be officially released, and you can play it on PC through Steam. So I'm going to teach you how to acquire the game and how to play. To do this, you can visit the official website and click on Pre-order Now, or go directly to the Steam store. If you go over to the Steam store, look for Battlefield, and it should be the first result to pop up alongside other Battlefield titles. So it is going to release exactly a week from now, the 10th of October. You can find the game available in your own local currency, and currently they have two editions available, the Standard Edition and the Phantom Edition. Standard Edition is going to include the base game and one pre-order bonus. The Battlefield 6 Phantom Edition is also going to include the base game and the pre-purchase offer, but it also includes a bunch of extra goodies, primarily the Battle Pass, a bunch of soldier skins, weapon packs, and an XP boost set. So if you are serious about Battlefield 6, it is a good consideration to get the Phantom Edition. So you can pre-order the game on Steam, and once you have it pre-ordered, you will be able to download and play once it releases officially on October 10th. It is also available on next-gen Xbox and PlayStation consoles, so PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X or S, and you can acquire the game through the respective store as well, so the PlayStation Store or the Microsoft Store. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.